Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for honest and in-depth beauty reviews. Today, we're diving into the BaBylissPRO FXONE Professional Cordless Hair Clipper for Men. This is a sleek, high-performance clipper designed for all hair types. Whether you're a pro barber or just someone who prefers a precise at-home trim, this clipper promises to deliver a sharp, clean cut. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The BaBylissPRO FXONE Cordless Hair Clipper is built for versatility and efficiency. It's engineered for use on the head, beard, body, and mustache. The clipper's powerful motor is designed to cut through all hair types with ease, while its cordless design offers freedom of movement. Weighing in at 1.01 kilograms, it's a bit on the heavier side, but the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold for extended sessions. When it comes to features, this clipper stands out with its titanium-coated blades, known for their durability and sharpness. They're designed to deliver precision without tugging or pulling at the hair. The adjustable taper lever is a great addition, giving you more control over your cuts. It's also equipped with a high-torque motor, providing up to 5,500 RPM, which ensures smooth, consistent cutting power. The clipper's battery life is impressive, with up to 2 hours of cordless runtime, and it charges quickly, making it perfect for busy mornings or on-the-go use. I've been using the BaBylissPRO FXONE for a few weeks now, and I must say, the performance has been consistent. The clipper glides smoothly through hair, leaving behind a clean, even finish. I tested it on a few different hair types, including thick and coarse hair, and it handled them without issue. One of the most noticeable features for me was the smoothness of the cut. It really doesn't pull or tug at the hair, which is a big plus for comfort. The ergonomic handle is easy to grip, making it comfortable to use even for long sessions, though I did notice the weight could be a factor if you're looking for something ultra light. There are definitely some pros to highlight here. The sharp, durable titanium blades are excellent for a precise, smooth cut. The high-torque motor ensures consistent power, and the adjustable taper lever gives you full control over your hair length. The cordless feature is super convenient, especially for those who need mobility while trimming. But it's not all perfect. One downside is the weight. At 1.01 kilograms, it's a bit heavier than some other clippers on the market, which could be tiring for some users, especially during longer sessions. Also, while it's generally easy to use, it might take a little getting used to for beginners due to the many adjustable settings. As for value, the BaBylissPRO FXONE falls in the higher price range for cordless clippers. However, considering its durability, powerful motor, and precision, I do think it's worth the investment, especially for those who need a high-performing clipper for regular use. The build quality and performance justify the price in my opinion. If you're looking for alternatives, there are certainly other clippers that offer solid performance at a lower price point. However, the BaBylissPRO FXONE's combination of professional-level features and ergonomic design makes it a standout in its category. If you're willing to invest in quality, this clipper is a great choice. When it comes to build quality, the BaBylissPRO FXONE feels robust. The titanium-coated blades not only provide precision, but are also built to last, ensuring longevity. The clipper's motor runs smoothly, and with regular maintenance, I don't foresee any issues with durability. As for customer service, while I haven't had direct experience, BaBylissPRO has a solid reputation for supporting its customers with responsive service. To wrap it up, the BaBylissPRO FXONE Professional Cordless Hair Clipper is a high-quality tool with great performance, making it a solid investment for those looking for precision and reliability in their hair clippers. It's especially suitable for men who frequently trim their hair or beard and prefer professional-grade results at home. While the weight may be a consideration for some, the overall performance and features make it a top contender in its category. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used the BaBylissPRO FXONE or have any thoughts on hair clippers, drop a comment below. Let us know your experience. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.